Howdy guys, how are y'all doing today? My name is Jake Ferguson from Jake Ferguson Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you a little something I've been working on here. This is not, I repeat, not my game, nor is it my idea or anything like that. This is just simply a project I was doing in my Unity C# scripting class on basically how to program a very simple 3D game. So what I want to do here is just show you where how everything works and everything like that, and then I'll show you the scripting that I used for it. So let's go ahead, and if you take a look at the scene here, or if I can take away the scene. Okay, well I can do that. I'll figure out how to extend on play here later. Alright, let's go ahead and play it so you can see how it works. Okay, so you can move the character side to side. Here in a few seconds candies will start dropping. There you go. Probably saw it in the asset section. And then you die if you miss 3 candies, which is really easy to do in this game. If I were to actually develop this a little bit further, I'd make the candies drop a lot slower. Either make them spawn a lot slower or make them fall a lot slower. So you can have multiple candies dropping at a time, but you're not rushing back and forth. And then here you have your basic UI. You can hit restart and the game will restart. You got your candy counter on the right and your hearts on the left. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. See, I'm actually doing pretty good this time. And I died. Okay, so then you can press the main menu, have your candy catch. You can choose either play or exit. I can't do it right now because it's in the actual editor itself, so I can't physically exit, but it is programmed. I can hit play. I'm going to play it one last time for you guys. And here we go. I already missed one, missed 2. Oh my goodness, those small ones are a pain. And I already lost. So this is basically how it works, and I have 5 scripts set up for it. I have the candy script, which is how the candies work and how they interact with the monsters so you can eat them. Candy spawner script, it manages the candy spawner and how they fall and things like that. Your game manager manages your basic game functions and UI. You have your main menu controller, and then you got your player controller. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the window over to Microsoft Visual Studio. Here are all your scripts for it. The main menu controller is the most simplified. The game manager is the longest running one. This one, the candy spawner, I believe, is the most complicated, and it has coroutines in it. And this is just for your colliders for the candy script, and your player controller, so you can actually move left and right and stay in frame. And let's go ahead and switch my view back to display capture. Alrighty, and that's basically how it works. That's basically how the whole game works. Now the course I'm taking is from Raja Biswas of Charger Games. He is actually a really good teacher and has made C# scripting for Unity very easy to understand. So go check out his course on Unity. I may put the link in the description for you. And you all have a great night.